Hi everyone. I know a lot of you enjoy my videos, but I also watch tutorial videos on YouTube. And I understand the problems of getting the pace right for everyone. I can work on the audio, I can work on annotations, descriptions, etc. But getting the pace right for everyone is an impossibility. But thankfully YouTube have that covered. I've heard those comments on other videos and I take all of that on board, and that's why I'm going to present this little video on YouTube tricks and tips. Just a quick aside, just this morning I heard that the book by Jeff Lamarca, Simple Citations, is ready for release. It'll be released in the next few days. Dr. Lamarca tries to simplify the overcomplicated approach some people take to sourcing. I've read other books and it just becomes absolutely prohibitive. So I can assure you it's a really good read. Anyway, let's jump into the YouTube video. Here we are on YouTube, and I'm using the Edge browser here so that I have no additional plugins in play. The first control I want to mention is a browser one rather than a YouTube one. So hold down your control key and hit the plus button to zoom in, and still holding the control key, hit the minus button to zoom out. Set the screen whatever way you like. If you have a scroll wheel on your mouse, then holding down the control key and using your scroll wheel will also zoom in and out for you. This is the video I'm using as an example, and first of all, along the bottom of the video, this video is paused at the moment, you can see there are various controls here, and we'll walk through those in due course. Below that again, you'll see the subscribe button, which I'm always mentioning. So when you're subscribed, you're not subscribing to something like Ancestry, where there's actually money involved. My channel is not monetized in any way whatsoever. All you're doing when you subscribe is when you go to your home page on YouTube, you'll see the channels you're subscribed to down on the left hand side here, so you can jump quickly to those. So if you hit the subscribe button, by default, YouTube will add the bell. If you click the arrow alongside, you want to make sure that all is selected here. That means you'll get notifications as soon as I publish a video. I like to stay subscribed so that I see those notifications coming up myself. Whatever you do, don't give it a thumbs down for goodness sake. I published a video recently on a different channel of a giant sequoia-like tree being felled, and a lot of people gave it a thumbs down, which works against my YouTube channel. I didn't cut the tree down, I was basically the reporter. If you don't like the video because maybe your software doesn't have a certain feature, or it's highlighted a weakness in your software, please don't give me the thumbs down, I'm only the messenger. So let me click the thumbs up. Moving along, we've got share. So you've got various options to share here. You can share it on any of your social media platforms. You can also click the start option here, so the video you're sharing starts at exactly the point you are now. And all you do is create post. And I do welcome that. It does help promote the channel and it does help share the information. Next to that we have download, and that's a YouTube Premium. Perhaps you're a YouTube Premium user, and then you can download that. Clip. You can actually select a clip here of a certain length. You can hear my voice in the background. Give it a title and share the clip. Again, you come up with your social media and you can share that off to your social media channel. Getting to this page, from any of my YouTube videos, simply click on my channel name, Genealogy Reviews, and that takes you straight to my homepage where you'll see all of my videos. The next important tool, and probably one of the most important tools in YouTube, is the scrubber bar. So at the bottom of the video here, you'll see a little bar. And if you move along with that bar and drag it to certain sections of the video, and I'm zooming in on this corner, you see the actual chapter information just below the little thumbnail. Grab the video, press play, and you're straight into the section that you wanted to view. The one thing I haven't mentioned yet, and very important also, is below the video here, you'll see the description of the video. And if you click on the more, you'll get the full description. In that description, you'll see any support material, any links, and usually the link to my shared Dropbox folder for support material. Also what you'll see here is what I've entered for the chapters. And this is the timeline for the chapters. If you want to jump straight to fix broken links, You'll notice the timeline to the left is blue, so it's hyperlinked. Click that, and we're straight into click broken links. So that's how you navigate straight into the video. This tool, the important cog wheel, this will allow you to change the playback speed. And for anything in a tutorial video, changing the playback speed is very important. So let's say you want to go to half speed. Actually, I'm going to go to a quarter speed here, because I want to really follow this in detail, every move of the mouse, etc. So let me click play again. The leg is broken. So if I click, I can't add it. Sounds really weird, doesn't it? Let me click it again and go to half speed. I have to add 1st of January 1943. Lastly, on the General tab, I want to give it a meaningful file. Well, that's a bit easier to follow. I doubt if many of my videos are actually too slow for you, but if they're too slow and you want to bump it up to Agnes underscore 1943 Cromwell Road, Belfast. If we search now for feature FH video, here's our file. And that's being picked up by the properties that we put on the file itself in the comment box. Always remember to set the video speed back to normal. But if you want to watch through a video in more detail and take some notes while clicks are being made, then going to half speed or even quarter speed is the perfect way to follow it through. So I hope that's helped. Before I leave that, let's look down, and here we have comments. These are various comments that have been made on the video, and I welcome comments very, very much. If you move down here, just click on the add a comment and add your own comment. Let's have a look at the mobile app. All of the controls are still there, it's just a matter of knowing where to access them. Here's YouTube on my cell phone, and all of the components are still here. Let's have a walk through them. Here we can see the 18 chapters of this video. We click again and we can see them in more detail, and move back and forward to select exactly the chapter we want. If we click on the subscribe, we first of all see that we're subscribed, and in the second click you can see that the little bell needs to go black to receive notifications. If we click on the more button, you can see the statistics for the video, but also below that you can see the description. You can move back and forward in the chapters. You click on more again and you'll see the full description, including any links. Move down, and again clicking the time indicator to the left of the chapter description will jump you straight to that section of the video. The scrubber, you can see it's slightly more informative, it shows up better. You can jump straight into the section you want to view. Incidentally, on your mobile device, if you want to go full screen, you simply swipe up on the video. To return to normal screen, swipe down on the video. So what about those other controls? With the video paused here, you can see some of them around the perimeter of the screen. This one is autoplay on, autoplay off. The one next to it with the little radiation in the corner, I can actually cast this now to my lounge television and watch it in full screen, providing I get my wife out of the room. Next to that again is closed captions. You can turn them on and turn them off, and I upload those with every video. And here's our cog wheel. Various things here, but the one we're interested in is playback speed. Your thumbs up and your thumb down are on the bottom here, and alongside is your comments button. So you can leave your comments here on your mobile device, whether that's your tablet or your cell phone. If I look at this comment, I can tell you this comment is going to be dealt with in the next video. I've already done what we can with my heritage and bringing that down into your family historian project. The next video will show you how to bring that down from ancestry, including media, and into your family historian project. You can share the video, and again I say that's very welcome, because you'll be in a lot of forums that I'm not on, a lot of user groups that I'm not on, so feel free to do that with your user groups. I hope that's helped show all the controls that are available to you when you're watching YouTube, whether that's on your desktop PC or whether it's on your tablet or cell phone. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to get notifications of future videos, especially that next one, which is the through path of getting your details down from ancestry, including media, don't forget, and getting that into your family historian project to start cleaning things up. And if you feel it's warranted, do hit the thumbs up button for me. Thanks again for watching, and my best wishes for a healthy and productive 2024.